Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn text into a laureate portraits, create portraits inspired by Nobel Laureates. So here, in order to use AI to turn your text into golden portraits inspired by Nobel Laureates. You have to open your Canva first, then sign in with your account and click apps, then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find this one, laureate portraits. So here you can click to use it. Start with using in new design, and here you can describe what you want to create: an elegant woman, a cute cat, a cute dog, or let's change with a cute dragon. Then generate. Please wait, this can take a few moments. And here we go, you can add to design, or if you're not satisfied, you can click to regenerate. So no need credits. Please feel free to try this laureate image or laureate Nobel art. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.